Hi all, welcome to the Salesforce campus. So today we are going to discuss the scenario number 2. This is also a fresher level. So we can say like that we are going to discuss the second scenario for the triggers. Okay. So today's business requirement is like that whenever you are creating the opportunity and if the stage is closed one, then you have to update the description field of that opportunity and that should be the one opportunity. Okay. So what is the requirement it here? Now suppose that if you are clicking sorry, you are creating the opportunity, okay, and you're giving the stage as a closed one and we're saving it. Okay, so once you are saved with this, now when you go for the detail section, you can see the description field. uh, So description field is coming as a blank. Okay. Now it should be have to be updated with opportunity one opportunity. Okay. Now we are going to write the trigger for the same. So you are creating the opportunity. So on which object? First we need to decide on the which object we need to write the trigger. Okay. So we need to write the trigger on the which object? Opportunity object, because you are going to create the opportunity object. So this is our opportunity and you need to give the trigger name. So you can give the OPPORT opportunity trigger. So this is the opportunity trigger is the trigger name. Now submit it. So you got the syntax for the opportunity trigger. So this should be before insert or after insert because you are updating the same object. Okay, then we can go for the before insert. Okay, so till now it's okay. Now we are going to write one more condition here for best practice. So here we can first found like if trigger dot is insert. Okay, so you are going to inserting the opportunity and also you need to check if this trigger dot is before. Okay, now we need to write the trigger handler. So in the previous class also we have write the trigger handler for the best practice. So we will write one trigger handler. So what we can write? Opportunity trigger handler. Okay, and after that this is the opportunity trigger handler means the class. We can go and create one Apex class. Okay, and give the class name. Click OK. So now your class syntax is ready. So your class syntax is ready, but this is the method. Now what you will give the method name. So similar to that, what we are doing, we are updating the description. So we can give update description. Okay. Now till now we are saving it. Okay. After we will check what we need to do it here. Okay. So we are getting one problem. Missing this, early static void, missing the view does not exist. So can you please check it? What error we are getting? Public static void, line number 5. This. Okay. So suppose that this one, and we can write one method here first. Okay. Now here we will pass the parameter. What we are passing? trigger.new. Why we are passing trigger.new? Why we not passing trigger.old? Because the trigger.old will not coming here for the new record, because we are inserting. And when you are inserting the new record, how the old record will come? There is nothing old for this record, no? Everything is new for this. Okay. So here we can give trigger.new. Okay. So now this is going to the trigger handler. Now in our trigger handler here, what we can give? Here we are giving the trigger.new. Trigger dot means new means what? Here list of records would be there. Here maybe one record, maybe the multiple record. So we can handle this in list of. Okay. So after giving this, so I'm giving the variable name. Now, after giving the variable name, you need to iterate on this. Means, suppose that there are multiple records, then all the records whose opportunity is closed one, then what you need to do? You need to change the description. Okay. So I will need to check for opportunity OPP, and whatever the list is coming, list is there in this. So take this list. Now every record which is coming, it is going to where? Means from this opportunity, means suppose that here 5 records are there. OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4, OP5. Okay. Suppose that for this closed one is there. For here lost one is there. For here closed one. For here also closed one. And here suppose that lost one, sorry, lost, not one, closed one, lost. Okay, opportunity lost. Okay, so now one by one this list of opportunity will go to this opportunity, and we will check what is the status of this opportunity. Okay. So first we need to delete this. Sometimes it's taking time. Okay, we can ignore that. Okay, so now opportunity like this. Now what we need to check in this, if this opportunity means the from the bucket I have taken first opportunity, I'm taking the status. If the opportunity status dot status equal to closed one, then only you need to change the what of description of this. Okay, opp dot description equal to one opportunity. Okay, now we need to save it. So we are getting some errors. List we have taken, why errors are coming? We can, okay, so previously also we have said like that we have done the same mistakes, like we are not comparing, we are initializing. Here we need to compare it, because in the if condition we need to compare it. Okay. So now the second things is like that this is not should be the status, it should be the stage name. Okay, so now it's saved. Okay, now coming to the trigger, we will save it the trigger also, because now the apex method and apex class is already there, so now it's got saved. Okay, so now our trigger is completed. Now go to this class, sorry, this opportunity record, and create one more opportunity. Okay, so I'm creating test trigger op. Okay, now we are not giving any closed one. Okay, so we are giving the stage as a closed one, and we are giving this closing data today. We are not giving anything in the description. Okay, now we are saving it. Okay, now the opportunity got saved, and when you go for the detail section, see, your description got updated with one opportunity. Okay, so in this trigger, what you have learned like that, means when you are writing the trigger on the same object, okay, and you are trying to update something. Okay, so in that case you are using trigger dot new. Okay, you are inserting, you are not doing any update or anything else. Record was not there, then how you will use trigger dot old? Okay, trigger dot new will take all the things. Now the second thing like that, why we are not using update activity here? Okay, that we will discuss later, but for now you can understand like that we are not updating, so that also we will discuss why we are not taking the update here. Why we are not taking the update now? Since suppose that you are clicking on the save, and all the new records has there, once you click the save, then automatically it will be go to the database. Then why again we need to the update that record? Okay, so thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'll continue for the next lectures. Thank you.